Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find hidden chats on Viber. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Viber application, and then I'm going to show you how to hide chats. You need to click on any chat you want to hide, and then you need to click on this chat name at the top of your screen. After that, you need to scroll down, and then you need to find hide this chat option and then click on that. After that, in this interface, you need to enter any PIN password you want, for example 1234. After that, if you want to find this chat, you need to scroll down and then you need to click on the search bar. After that, you need to type your password 1234. After that, you will see all your hidden chats with this password. You can click on this chat. Then you can type something in this chat, or you can click on the name of this chat at the top of your screen, then scroll down, and then click on unhide this chat. And if you want to unhide this chat, you need to enter this password here, 1234. And that's how to find hidden chats on Viber. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.